Okay, I didn't get this in camera. It was so wonderful. Okay? But this represents the f of x equals x squared modified to f of x minus 7 minus 3, right? And we're finding when it's 0. Well, it turns out to be really easy. First of all, to write out what f of x minus 7 minus 3 is, replacing x by x minus 7, we get this, right? So here's our equation. And now we want to find where that is 0. So f of x minus 7 minus 3 is 0. That happens when x minus 7 squared minus 3 is 0, right? And it's really easy to solve that. We add 3 to both sides. We take the square root, remembering that this could be plus or minus the square root of 3, because when we square it, the plus and minus goes away, right? And then we add 7 to both sides. There we have it. And everybody remembers what the square root of 3 is, 1.732, right? You probably know the more significant figures. I don't know what the next one is. Okay. Give me a while and I'll figure it out, but I'll make a mistake. Okay, so we have that, right? And then 7 plus 1.732 is 8.732. 7 minus 1.732, if I did my arithmetic right, is 5.268, right? And that's pretty consistent with our estimates. Remember that our estimates were based on my inaccurate picture of a parabola, acknowledging that yours would have been much better and you'd have probably had it down to 4 significant figures just by your estimate, right? Okay, we say that we did pretty well. It's really closer to 8.7. And my 8.5 was a little too far to the left, so we might well have gotten votes for 8.7 if I'd have drawn the picture a little more accurately, even with my parabola. Anyhow, we confirm that we've got a pretty good estimate of what our solution is just from shifting the graph, right? Okay, so now we want to look at how else we might have solved this. So we're going to expand the thing and use the quadratic formula. That's exactly the same thing we did, except it looks different.